So you got the Apple Airpods Pro. I'm doing the unboxing on this. I just got it myself. Let's take a look at it. These look really, really awesome. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help support my channel. Let's get into the unboxing, and thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for tuning into this unboxing of these brand new. I just got these in the mail today, the AirPods Pro. I want to do just a quick unboxing. We got these in a special deal if you bought the iPad. And you got the upgraded iPad AirPod Pro for $90. So these cost me $90. That's a great deal, but I never had them before. I had the other ones and they were very uncomfortable in the ear. These should be more comfortable. They have the little rubber tips. You can customize for your ear. So I wanted to see how it was and how it felt. This does come with the wireless charging case. Any questions or comments, leave below. If you guys have these, tell me how you like them, how they're working for you, how's the comfort, how's the quality, things like that. So let's get to the unboxing. Of course, they're all Apple products. They are all nicely packed. This is a little package. Just unwrap it. Okay. They do make it easy for you to open these up. And that is open. And let's just take a look inside the box and see what we have. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Of course, we have all the nice literature in here. We have the manual, instructions, booklet, all these kind of cool things. And no stickers. Oh, that's kind of a bummer. See, cutting back, no stickers. At least I don't see any stickers yet. So we have the instructions so far. And we have the actual iPad. Okay, and let's open this up. Let's see what's in here. Cool. So we have, these are the extra earbuds, right? Different sizes, different fittings here. And we have a charging cable. So we have a lightning charging cable. We have the little earbuds that go in your ear, the different fittings for your ears to make them more comfortable. Let's just take a look at that real quick. Let's open these up, and there they are. So hopefully you can see them. These are all the different sizes. Okay, so you have this size and you have this size. Okay, so the two different sizes here. And then the actual, the AirPods are in this case. So let's take a look at these. I'll tell you, they do a nice job with their packaging. There's no question about it. I mean, Apple always never disappoints when it comes to their packaging. I don't think this is the wireless charging case. It might be. I'm not sure. Actually, I think it might be the actually wireless charging case. Let's see what it says there. Yep, wireless charging case. So this has a wireless charging case. So this basically what you do is you drop this on and it can charge it up right inside the case, which is kind of cool, right? Also, with the AirPods, I just checked this out. I just was able to put this down right on here. I was able to charge my earbuds. Okay, these are with the charging case with my light charger. Check this out. Okay, put it down. Put it on the case. Check this out. Gotta find the right spot. There it is. There you go. They charge right up. That's amazing. Just drop it right on your light, charge your AirPods, and you're good to go. So I just want to let you know about that too. I was really excited about that. I'm just super stoked. All right, guys, that's it. Let's get into the rest of this unboxing.
Hey guys, if you're enjoying the review, please don't forget to subscribe. It does help support my channel and does support what I do. I appreciate that. So don't forget to like, share, and definitely subscribe. Back to the unboxing.
Let's open these up. And they very, very much look very awesome. I have to tell you, first impressions, I like these. I've had the other ones, just the plain, the AirPods, the regular, and I don't like them because they kept them falling out of my ear and they were very uncomfortable. And if you look for the reviews online, you will see that all the time. And I've got the Samsung and I like those, but I wanted to get something. I love Apple, so I just can't help it. So this already has a set of tips on them. So this is probably like a standard, a generic size. But if you need if I had to guess, so this is the small. This looks like a medium. And then here looks like a large tip. So we have small, medium, large. So basically you have three different choices. It comes with the medium. So they figure most people are probably a medium. But if you have a smaller ear canal, you want the smaller one. If you have a larger ear, you have the larger one. So you have three different sizes, which is really cool. Okay. And I tell you, I like the magnetic case. So it has a magnetic case, which is nice. These pop in. Those are all magnetic as well. So when you pop them in, they do charge. Okay, which is really cool. And I like these. And these come out. Let's take a look at these. And the next thing you have to do is pair these with your phone. So that's all you have to do. Here's the case here. It looks like it has to be charged. The light looks like it needs to be charged. I'm going to actually charge these up first. I want to just do this unboxing. I'll tell you now, they feel really cool. I have to tell you, and the case feels really cool. I have to tell you, it's really kind of nice when you're out in the road and you have the AirPods and you're running low, pop them in the case and they'll charge them up. And that is pretty cool. So I do like that. If you guys have these, tell me what you think. Leave some comments below. Tell me how they work for you. If you like them, what your likes are, what your dislikes are, because not everything is perfect, not everything is for everybody. And that's what the review is all about, basically to give you my insight on how I feel they look. And first impressions, of course, they're nice quality. The case gives you all the options, and they're very easy to just pop back in. And actually, you can't put them in wrong. You only go in one way, which is really interesting, right? So that way you can't make a mistake. You pop them in there, you close the case up, and it charges them up. Okay, guys, so I have my phone here. So the best way to pair these AirPods is basically get your phone, get it next to the AirPods. All you have to do is open the case and watch the magic. Open the case. Check this out. 3, 2, 1, bam. There it is. So hopefully you can see that. That opened right up. I'll give it a better shot for you so you can see. There it is. So all you have to do is press connect, and it connects them and pairs them right up. I'll show you that again. Okay, when you close it, let's just check this out, right? Oh, you don't even have to even open it up, just bring it right next to it. Wow, check this out. There's the AirPods. Oh, okay, open them up. Let's try it again. Open them up. Bam. There's the magic. So you do have to open them up. As soon as you open up, it sends a signal out and to connect it. All you do is press connect. And that's it. It goes over all the instructions, how to use them. Press them once. Noise cancellation, press and hold either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Control center, press the volume slider up and down to control the noise. Cancellation and transparency. So it gives you all the instructions right here, pretty much what to do. Real easy. And that's it. It's basically set up. All right, I'm gonna go check these out. I'm gonna give you a full review of what I think about these. Check these out. I'll leave a link below. You know where to get these things. These things are quite awesome. I just wanted to bring this to your attention. It's a great deal. It's a great value. So if you buy any new iPod or iPod Air, they're giving you a free pair of AirPods. But if you pay $90 more, you get an upgrade for the AirPods Pro. So for $90, it's pretty much a no-brainer. My wife needed a new Air. She wanted the new iPad. That's why we got her the iPad Air. And these came for $90, so these are quite awesome. This was my little gift for myself, and I paid for this for myself. This is not a sponsored ad whatsoever. I paid for these myself, and she got her new iPad Air, and I got these. All right, guys. Basically, to control the noise cancellation, to control the ambiance noise so you can hear everything, it's basically real simple. All you have to do is go to Control Center. Okay, you go to Control Center, and it basically says that your AirPods are connected, so hopefully you can see that right there. You just tap on that, okay? You tap on that, and then you can see here that you can have right here. Okay, you can have those off. Transparency, so you can actually hear yourself now. I can actually hear myself talking. I have them in my ears. I can hear myself talking. This is the noise cancellation over here. Tap over here, open it up again. Okay, and that is noise cancellation. That is totally off, and that is the transparency. Transparency, so you can see it there. Off. Noise cancellation, off. And every time you get a little ding in your ear, you can hear, so you get a confirmation back. And basically, you just shut that off. You just hold it down. And let's see. Oh, you can turn the volume up and down in your ears, which is kind of cool. And that's it. All right, guys. Cool. All right, so I just want to bring that to your attention. Really easy. I'm going to check these out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, like I told you, and I appreciate that.
Oh yeah. One more thing. In the back of your AirPods, there's a button. I don't know if you know this or not. There's a little tiny button back there. If you can't see it in the back, there's a little button. You press this button, and when you press the button, it tells you how much power you have. So the green light means you have power. You just press the little tiny button back there. So it lets you know how much power you have. You know it's green. Green is good. If it was dead and needed to be recharged, it'd be red. So I don't know if anybody knows about that, but there's a little tiny button right there. Hopefully you can see it, and that's how you can check your battery. And if it's low, plug it in or just drop it on your wireless charger and bang, you're back in business. These are awesome. I checked them out today, and I tell you, they are super, super nice. The noise cancellation is unbelievable. The sound quality was great, and the bass was fantastic. The deep bass was really nice. The highs were really clean. All in all, can't go wrong for these AirPods. They really are great.
All right, guys, that's it for me. Any questions or any comments, leave below. Like, share, and also please subscribe. It does help support my channel quite a bit. When you do subscribe, it does help me out, and I do appreciate that very, very much. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'm checking these out. You have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review.